Welcome back to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights. Now, for this video, I am putting something out of the ordinary for us. So we're going to learn Excel today. Basically, Excel on cost analysis, how you will put data, how you put the cost into a Excel spreadsheet, transform that data, and use the data to create graphs for your small business, SME, or if you are a research student, you can always use this technique to analyze your reports when you're done. So basically, we'll come to the end of the video. We'll be here. I will show you all about the different steps from entering the data into Excel to transformation. Here, Excel entry to transformation to graphical representation, and we'll go into data visualization to see our beautiful graphs there. So if you want more videos on how to do, basically enter your records or your data reports into a Excel spreadsheet. While in there, if you can filter, if you can transform the data, you can do conditional formatting to see how your graphs will change colors from um, your entry will change colors from green, orange to red. If you are tracking expiry, please comment on the link below. I can draw a video for you, as well as doing conditional formatting, data validation, where you don't want to enter the same thing every now and then, and you want to create a drop-down menu. Comments on the link below, the descriptions below. I will make the videos for you. I wouldn't know which video you would want, so please comment on the link description below. More better, subscribe to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights, for more of these videos. So let's get right into the video session for today. Today, let's do some data entry. So I did a car repair a few years back. So I put down a list of all the costs into this Excel spreadsheet, which I will share with you to help you understand the process of data entry, data transformation, graphical representation, and data visualization, which is the final stage of the process. So let's go on to entering the data first. So data goes into the Excel spreadsheet. You can have how many, maybe 3 or 4 columns, 5 columns, depend on which type of information you want to put down. So we have, for me, the dates here, the description, the car parts, the allowances, the description of the cost, the quantity, the cost in Kenya, and the comments to help me to understand how to update this and go on this Excel. So basically, from the first day, this was a 2-year project for a first timer, but we got it done. So this is from 30th October 2021 all the way to 2022, and the total cost as well. So every time we get to do any job on the car, we recorded them here. So from allowances to engine parts, accessories to lights and everything was here. And then after a while, I decided to see the cost and at least know, for future references going down. I want to know how much I spend on the engine, how much I spend on the lights, on the allowances. I know I paid the mechanic enough. So that's it. So that's why I did the data transformation. So separated and filtered the allowances to be together, the costs associated with battery, paying a new battery, recharging the batteries together, and it goes down to other stuff such as anything to do with the engine, air gasket, the lights and everything. So I filtered them down, group them together. This will help me to gather the separate parts from one place and input them to get the graphs. So after that transformation, this is the next sheet where I did just like editing of the graphs, inputting something like the access, the titles, just doing adjustment to the final graph. And then after these ones, maybe I want them to be in bar graph, or I want them to be in column graph or line graph. The decision is made here in this sheet. And then if I like it, like the outline of the graph, the title, and how it is represented, then I just copy it from this sheet into the next sheet, which is my data utilization, data visualization sheet. So here we have all the beautiful graphs here. Okay, so now I know the major parts, the engine, the radiator, and so cost about 62% of the cost. Accessories like so many drill bit and all those came under accessories. Allowance for the mechanic composites of 21%, fuel, electronics. So all those now I know about where the bulk of my costing came from. So if you're a SME and you want to use this, then if you are spending a lot on maybe wages, then you can see wages will be maybe 40%, land allowances, rental maybe higher as well, 30% or so. So Excel is a very useful tool and very easy to follow. So if you want me to help you, comment on the link below with your questions. I'll get back to you with a suitable video. But this is basically the cost in a pie chart and also in a column graph here. Depends again how you want it. I'll just use in percentage. Usually pie graphs are in percentages. This is in Kina, so I know the amount of money spent in Kina. If you put it here, it won't look good. It won't total up to 100%. So it's better if you want it to be in Kina value, then you put it this way as a column graph. And also I decided to see on which date I paid the mechanic the highest. So I decided to do a line graph having the Kina value on the y-axis and then the dates on the x-axis. So I know on the 7th of November 2021, I paid the mechanic 500 Kina. So that's the highest, and then the other accumulative costs or to the allowances or wages of the mechanics outline is here. So I know how much I pay the mechanic every time he comes to work on the car. So this is basically simple, easy where for you as an SME or as a research student to do data analysis. Don't forget these steps. Now, if you don't forget the steps, you will get your data all confused up and you will think it's rocket science. So just data entry, first step, you cleaning the data, transforming the data, and then representation, deciding on which data, which graph is best for your data, on how you will present, and then you will do the final visual representation with data visualization. This is basically, once again, if you want me to do data entry data conditioning, as well as data visualization and data validation, where we can do drop downs for you, drop down menus. We can do conditional formatting for you to monitor the inventory in your stock. Please comment on the link below and I will help you to solve this problem for you, those suitable videos to suit your needs. Thanks for watching this channel. I do also other channels which are popping up on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll get back to you with suitable